Retinol, a form of vitamin A, is an ingredient added to skin creams, lotions and serums. It has anti-aging effects and can help clear acne. Products containing retinol are widely available over the counter, and stronger concentrations of retinoids are available by prescription. Some people refer to it as vitamin A1. When retinol is incorporated into age-preventive skincare routines, it helps accelerate skin renewal, enhance collagen production and reduce the appearance of aging, uneven texture and age spots. When present in the layers of the skin, retinol promotes cell turnover and prevents the breakdown of collagen, a protein that promotes skin elasticity. Common side effects of retinol include itchy, dry, and flushed skin. A person can apply retinol once per day. Retinol can increase the skin sensitivity to the sun, and a person should apply sunscreen after use. Paula's Choice Retinol Skin Smoothing Body Treatment works as both a skin smoothing treatment and a retinol. It's a lotion that delivers the anti-aging ingredients of a facial treatment to the whole body. Diminishes the appearance of uneven skin tone, hydrates, improves texture, combats discoloration, and restores resilience for visibly smoother, firmer-looking skin. Paula's Choice Retinol Skin Smoothing Body Treatment is a nearly weightless formula that goes on silky smooth, never greasy. Antioxidant vitamins C and E go deep to boost skin's youthfulness from head to toe, while shea butter and evening primrose oil instantly nourish skin for a softer, supple look and feel. This lightweight lotion is suitable for all skin types including normal, oily, combination and dry. Paula's Choice products are made with your skin in mind. Whatever your skincare concern, whether dryness, acne, fine lines, or sensitive skin, we've got a treatment line for you. The search for amazing skincare ends here. Finally, you found it. Paula's Choice Skincare makes products that work. No fragrance, no parabens, no fluff. Just effective, science-backed formulas that target any concern from wrinkles to breakouts. But it's worth noting that it has a slight scent that some users may find unpleasant. A longtime drugstore favorite, the Rock line of skincare is known for providing quick and effective results without the cost of high-end brands. Rock Retinol Correction Capsules are another entry into the brand's dermatologist-recommended line of retinol products. Designed specifically to target wrinkles, the retinol works to help skin cell turnover, reducing the appearance of wrinkles while also improving skin health. The product uses individual capsules of serum as a delivery method to keep the serum fresh and also prevent using too much, which new users may be more prone to do. While using more retinol may seem to enhance effectiveness, it can actually have detrimental effects. It improves the look of collagen-depleted skin with this encapsulated night serum, sealed tight for optimal freshness. Powered by concentrated pure rock retinol and a bio-derived antioxidant with 2x the effectiveness of vitamin E. This lightweight fluid drenches skin and dries to a silky finish. In a clinical study, 97% had smoother skin after one night. Skin was 63% more hydrated after 1 week and visibly firmer by 30% after 4 weeks. Dermatologists tested. Fragrance-free. Rock produce a wide array of skincare products and treatments including daily moisturizers with SPF, hyaluronic and niacinamide acids, facial cleansers, vitamin C serums, retinol skin tone and wrinkle regimens and creams for under eyes, neck firming, décolleté and much more. Rock Retinol Correction Anti-Aging Wrinkle Night Serum is delivered in small capsules. Each dose of retinol will stay fresh and is just the right dose. Differin Acne Retinoid Treatment Gel is the first prescription-grade retinoid approved by the FDA for OTC use. This retinoid can be used to treat acne and improve skin health. Differin Gel contains an Rx-strength acne-fighting retinoid. It clears breakouts where they start, deep in the pores, prevents acne before it begins, and as a result, restores skin's texture and tone. Differin is well known for being the first over-the-counter prescription-grade retinoid on the market. While it is a retinoid and not a retinol, the two are both derived from vitamin A. Thanks to its retinoid formulation, Differin actually tends to be less irritating for skin than retinol treatments. Differin's active retinoid is adapalene, which is used to treat acne by working deep under the skin to help clear blemishes. In addition to being an effective tool against acne and clogged pores, it also helps to improve skin health by working as an anti-inflammatory, according to studies of topical retinoids in comprehensive dermatologic drug therapy. Adapalene was created for superior tolerability compared to other prescription retinoid products not containing adapalene and water-based formula, oil-free, alcohol-free, fragrance-free, non-comedogenic. It is suitable for use as part of your morning or evening regimen. Helps reduce the risk of scarring and hyperpigmentation by treating acne. In a clinical study, Differin gel provided up to 87% reduction in acne breakouts after 12 weeks, which will continue to improve with further use. SkinMedica Retinol Complex is a high-strength, lightweight formula that works without clogging pores. If you have oily skin, one of the things you want to avoid is adding a heavy layer to your skin routine, which can overwhelm your pores and exacerbate skin issues. SkinMedica's Retinol Complex provides a dose of high-strength retinol in a lightweight formula. Retinol works by turning over cells on the skin's surface, which can help to unclog pores, something people with oily skin often face. This formula, which is available in multiple strengths, can help to clear up skin without adding extra weight. It also includes SkinMedica's Phyto Shield Complex, which is made up of ingredients like niacinamide, squalane, ceramide 3, and bisabolol that help to soothe skin. A highly concentrated formula that is ideal for anyone who has already used a retinol product. The formula encourages cell turnover, which reveals healthier and more youthful skin. Apply in the evening after cleansing and toning and before applying your moisturizer. If a retinol product has never been used before, begin twice a week 2 to 3 days apart, increasing frequency slowly until daily use is tolerated. Apply to your entire face, neck and chest if desired. Do not use it if you are pregnant, lactating or planning to become pregnant. Mild redness, peeling and irritation are expected when using this product. Use sunscreen and limit sun exposure while using this product and for a week following discontinuation. La Roche-Posay Pure Retinol Face Serum is hydrating. Gradual release formula makes it easy to use for both new and experienced retinol users. But it's worth noting that it does have a slight fragrance, which could cause irritation. Dry skin tends to be one of the biggest limiting factors to people considering retinol because retinol products often have a drying out period during initial use. La Roche-Posay's Retinol B3 is a great option for dry skin thanks to its inclusion of vitamin B3, also known as niacinamide, which can help to keep moisture in the skin barrier. This serum also uses a gradual release formulation, meaning that it continues to release retinol during use, which also makes it another option for those with sensitive skin or new retinol users. Rachel Nazarian, MD, FAAD, of NYC's Schweiger Dermatology notes that while it may seem like using a lot of retinol will only enhance its effectiveness, overusing the substance can cause more dryness and irritation. This pure retinol and vitamin B3 serum visibly reduces the look of lines, wrinkles, and signs of premature sun damage. Apply 3 to 4 drops in the evening to the face and neck. Use alone and always with SPF protection. Avoid contact with eyes. Neutrogena's concentrated retinol is a budget-friendly drugstore product with high-end results. But it's worth noting that it's not fragrance-free, which may be irritating for sensitive skin. Another dermatologist favorite, Neutrogena is a brand well known for its skincare results without the cost of higher-end products. Its Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Pro Plus combines 0.5% retinol with bisabolol, a skin-soothing ingredient that helps even sensitive skin to counteract the strength of the retinol. A 1.7-ounce jar of Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Regenerating Anti-Age Face and Neck Cream Moisturizer helps fight the signs of aging by fading the look of deep wrinkles, including forehead and cheek wrinkles. Rich Face Moisturizing Cream features our highest concentration of retinol, a dermatologist-proven ingredient that fights fine lines, dullness, wrinkles, and dark spots. This product is the Rich Moisturizing Wrinkle Repair Cream with clinically proven results that instantly hydrates for smoother skin and smooths the look of fine lines and reduces the look of dark spots in just 1 week. Anti-aging face cream from dermatologist-recommended skincare brand has been dermatologist-tested, suitable for daily use for all skin tones, and is formulated without parabens, mineral oil, and dyes. Recommended for use as part of regular anti-wrinkle skincare routine and gentle enough for daily use on all skin tones, it comes from the #1 retinol brand used most by dermatologists. If you're a retinol novice, fear not, for this serum is a great way to ease yourself in. Developed with dermatologists, the CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol is a gentle, yet effective way to reduce the appearance of acne marks and visible pores. Refined skin without compromising its protective barrier. In general, and especially if your skin is oily or acne-prone, you'll want to pick a retinol product that is formulated for your skin type. CeraVe's Retinol Serum is a fan favorite for its refreshing feel and the way it helps firm skin without aggravating breakouts. This light serum contains niacinamide and licorice root extract along with ceramides, making it a gentle option for sensitive skin. It's unscented and formulated not to clog pores, and rings in at a very budget-friendly price. This product has a gel texture and a non-greasy feel. Apply Resurfacing Retinol Serum at night and apply sunscreen. Apply a pea-sized amount of CeraVe Retinol Serum in a thin layer and allow it to fully absorb into skin before applying additional products. It formulated with licorice root extract helps to brighten the appearance of skin, and niacinamide helps to calm skin. It is fragrance-free, paraben-free, and non-comedogenic. Ceramides are found naturally in the skin and make up 50% of the lipids in the skin barrier. All CeraVe products, formulated with 3 essential ceramides, 1, 3, 6-II, to help maintain the skin's natural barrier. CeraVe Skincare is developed with dermatologists and has products suitable for dry skin, sensitive skin, oily skin, acne-prone, and more. That is our list of the top 7 best retinol serums. Hope you found what you are looking for. Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and share with your friends if these videos are helpful.